Hey guys, it's Paul. Thank you if you have come to the Zoho Partner page where you're considering tagging PNUK Limited as your official Zoho Partner. It really does help keep all my training free to everybody and the certificates, so nothing's needed to be paid for. Zoho, I'm an affiliate partner, will give me 25% of your first year's payments as commission. You will not see any difference in your pricing or your support from Zoho. So you get full support from Zoho when you tag me, and they effectively it won't cost you any more. So it's awesome if you're going to do it for the first year. I get a little bit of kickback for introducing you to Zoho, giving you training on Zoho, introducing you to new other Zoho products that are coming out. And it really does help me keep everything free for everybody. So the added benefit, why would you do it other than getting free, because it would be free anyway? Well, when you tag me as your official Zoho partner, you get access to the Zoho One Army forum, which is a private forum. There is a Q&A forum that's public and a training courses that's public. But the private forum is just for tagged partners and people who want to pay, which is actually $1 a month to join. So, how do we go about it? Firstly, if you're already a Zoho customer and you haven't signed up by my links, you can check these by going, if you're outside the EU and you're on Zoho.com, you can go to pnuk.com/Zoho tag, or you can just, if you're on this partner page, just click this Zoho.com users, click here, and it will go through and show you your Zoho products and who is your tagged partner. Now, if you've got another partner tagged, I do not want you to untag them. I don't want you to swap for me. I don't agree with it. I'm not a big fan, and other partners who get people to untag me for them, I think it's a bit funky. So, what you're looking for, is it to say PNUK Limited or Happy Me Limited, but the in black at the bottom is PNUK Limited, which is my company, Paul Nicholson UK. And that means if you see this screen, and really, obviously if you're a Zoho One, this is the thing that you're paying for. So it's most important that maybe Zoho One's tagged, but you can tag me in all the other apps as well. It just lets Zoho know that I'm helping a lot of their customers. I've introduced a lot of their customers to Zoho, and I'll continue to help everybody for free. It's too hard for me to tell who's tagged and who hasn't, so I just help everybody for free. But on the Zoho One forum, the One Human Army forum, then I want I will try to keep a tag of who's in and who's not, to give you a little bit of extra value. If you're Zoho EU customers, .eu, that is pnuk.com Zoho EU tag, and that will bring you to the EU section. And again, you are looking for PNUK Limited, and in particular, probably Zoho One, if that's the. Oh no, sorry, I'm not actually. I'm not actually on my EU site with Zoho One. So anything that's not tagged, you can click Select All, tag your partner. Below, you're about to tag PNUK, proceed, and that is you tagged. I'll get an email saying you've tagged me. And now I'm going to show you, if you haven't, what it'll look like if you're not currently a partner. So if yours says here, PNUK Limited is your partner, you have access to the Zoho One Human Army private forum. Send me a message, help@pnuk.com. Tell me who you need to enter, who in your organisation, and I will give you an invite. Right, so let's just go through it, and I'll go to pnuk.com/Zoho Partner. This is possibly where you already are, and I'm already logged into my Zoho EU account, so I'm going to click it. I've signed up for a Zoho One trial, not via my link, so it isn't tagged. So everything that I've installed isn't currently tagged to PNUK Limited. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you what happens. So basically, it is the Zoho One. If you're on Zoho One, that is the main event app, because everything else is a free plan because it comes bundled in. But as I said, if you want to click select all, I can't use your information. I can't do anything back end. It just lets Zoho know that I have introduced you to Zoho and I'm giving you free training and you are part of the Zoho One human army. So select everything at the top, tag PNUK Limited, tag your partner. Here's all the apps that are going to be tagged, and we're going to proceed. So it'll say you are tagged, and I will get an email. There's a few things happening there. But it really does help because it helps me carry weight with Zoho when they see how many people I've tagged me as their partner. So when I go to their partner team and ask for support and they're really good, they know I'm actually helping quite a lot of people. But it still gives you full support with Zoho, right? So, oh man, this was taking a while. Right, there we go. It took a little while because there's quite a few. But that has tagged PNUK Limited. You are tagged. You have let Zoho know I am the partner that is helped you, got you signed up, got you into Zoho. I will get an email. So your customer tagged you. Here you go, tag your partner. So you've tagged my partner. This is the email you will get saying you've tagged your partner, PNUK. This is the email I get where I get your email. So I'm going to copy that. This is all I'm going to do. I'm going to copy your email. I'm going to go to the Zoho One forum, which is one.pnuk.com. And you will see if I go here, if I go on this one, one.pnuk.com, this is what you will see. It is a private forum. Nobody can see or have access to it other than the Zoho One clan. I'm going to go to admin, users. It's a brand new system, so there aren't any users at the minute. I'm going to invite you by invite, restrict to that email address, and save and send. So you're going to get a email from me saying you have been invited to the One Human Army. So it's all about, if you don't know what I'm talking about, we're all one human armies. Zoho One is a no-brainer for one human armies. But a lot of times, one person in the office has been designated to get Zoho working, make it work, and it's down to one person. But in the One Human Army, we are going to be making sure that you're not alone, even though there's so many things it can do. Now, you might want to check your junk folder. Here we go, yes, mine's landed in my junk. I will make sure that you know that I've sent it, but it might land in your junk, so check it out. You're going to get here, Paul invited you to join the PNUK's One Human Forum, and you get a little link to click. Obviously, if it's your default browser, you can click it. I'm going to click it, and that's going to let me in. I'll just put my username as Z1Test. Obviously, you put a username in, you can change it later. You don't nail down to that. Maybe use your Twitter handle or something. Put your name in, ZoTest. Put in a password. Oh, let me just go a little bit slower because it might ask me again in a minute. Accept invitation. And I am in. And you can see it's brand new. There'll be a little message telling you something. Thank you, we've created. I might tinker with that to make it a little bit easier. Maybe do a little help introduction that may come after this video. But what you're really looking at in this forum is going to be lots of other people that are using Zoho. So if you've got questions, you can come to Zoho One and go new question and just ask a question. How do I import contacts in the CRM? Something like that, right? Fire that in, ask a question, and then I will dive back in, or I will see that you have posted that, and I will reply, possibly with a video on that. So like I will go here. Oh, no. I will go find my video or my lesson on importing contacts. It's actually somewhere here. how to import your contacts from a spreadsheet.
If you're looking for a CRM, your sales team will
grab this and reply to you, possibly like this. Here you go. Z1 test. Any problems, let me know. Post it, and you'll get, if you want to let notifications happen, it's up to you. You'll get a little notification eventually that I have replied. And maybe it's because I've got it open, it didn't show it. I have replied, sent a video, and this is how we're going to help each other out. And you know it's private, so you can say what you want. I'm struggling with this, I'm struggling with that. How can I get sorted? And because it's the Zoho One Army, it's, if you're like me, I'm sat in a garage, a converted garage on my own, doing all these videos. It's going to be a great place for us to get together, introduce yourself, new topic. Paul in Doncaster. Hi, I'm a tech YouTuber, freelancer in Donny. Share what you want or don't want. Share your company links. Share your websites if you want. Because there's another thing with PNUK.com. Oh, I'll change that. How fast is it gonna? There you go. When you first sign up, it might think you're spam, so it can say to you, "Hey, slow down a bit." Business questions that are outside of Zoho, if you've got things to ask, if you're in the UK and you've got questions about tax or questions about payroll or anything outside of Zoho, or you've got some ideas and you want to know how to work stuff, fire them in there. Pitch anything. This is a place where you can basically pitch your business or your whatever you've got for sale. Pitch it in there. People can, offer people a discount if you want for being part of the One Army. Or maybe if you've got an idea of a business you want to do, pitch it in there as well. So this is my new business idea. What do you guys think? I really want it to be a community where, we're reaching out and helping and talking. And I'm going to have categories here that might be hospitality. It might be tradesmen. It might be specific. I'll put specific categories for specific businesses as we see fit. I'm also going to put a place for feedback where you might say, "Hey guys, can you check my website out and let me know what you think?" Or I've got a Facebook page. What do you think of my Facebook page? What content? So yes, the Zoho One Army forum is private and about Zoho One, but it's also about all your business. And if you need some help outside, you need to kick up the arse, you need some motivation, we're going to be there for you as well. So this is a private forum outside of the actual forum, where this is a public forum. Oh God, someone's asked about Deluge. It would be great to have some training help, custom functions. I am sure everyone needs help with these. So that's the actual public forum. Yeah, that Deluge stuff does my head in. I know you can do a lot of stuff in blueprints, etc. But yeah, so I am going to prioritize the One Army forum for questions and answers. As you can see, I'm promoting it across the training. So come and join us. Thanks for tagging. You don't have to join us though. You don't have to join the forum if you're just happy to tag as a partner and that's all you want to do. You want to go on your way. But as for tagging, because you've tagged, you can be invited to the forum. I didn't use Zoho Connect because one slight problem with Zoho Connect, and it's really cool because you can have an internal social media, is that the Zoho.com users can't, the Zoho users can't join the Zoho.com Connect. So it became a little bit funky, but also a discourse forum's really easy to use and really easy to share. So thanks for tagging me. Really does help keep everything free. Come and join the One Human Army, the One Forum, one.pnuk.com. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.